Me not say nothing to nobody, you know. You notice I never come on social media come talk this. I make sure I go to the police. I call the police on this one.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Wagwan again, Unstoppable family. So people, not a happy story today, but one that has to be covered nonetheless. Now you may remember the story of young Kayland Dowdie, the young lady that was severely beaten by a group of females at a party in Jamaica. Now sadly, it has been 9 months since the incident and Kaylan has still been laid up on a hospital bed in the ICU. Since the incident, her mother came on social media several times claiming that she has been threatened. She has been getting constant death threats from many persons who doesn't want this case to move forward. The mother spoke out that she not even got a court. She not follow it up as her main focus is to see her child pull through this ordeal. Kaylan, who just last week a news report came out that she has lost her memory, is still there struggling, but her mother is still holding on firm. While a lot of persons like myself is wishing and hoping for the best, her mother is in distraught because right now at this very moment she is getting death threats. She went to social media again just this morning, venting her anger and her frustration at persons who still are threatening her. The woman even explained that she had to change her vehicle because the police tell her that they got information that persons out to get her. We are going to take a listen to her venting right now and then we'll talk about it after. But if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, I'm asking you, please think about hitting that subscribe button and turn on the notification. So once you upload a video, you will get notified. Come, we go listen what she say.
Number one, me never even got a court. I haven't even retained a lawyer. I don't even have a lawyer. Me not put no lawyer upon no case. That's the first thing I want everybody to know. Me not put no lawyer upon no case. Because me tell myself, say the God will me serve, I go give me justice. And I'm waiting for the justice system to give me justice. I God me I depend upon to give me my justice. And I leave it alone. I leave them alone. And I leave it alone. I don't talk about them. I don't go anywhere and mention them. I just leave them alone. Me leave them alone. Me not trouble nobody. Me try to mind my own business. Me try to focus on my picnic when in a hospital. 9 months we going and Kaylan's still in the hospital. And them something me I talk about. Several times me get death threats. Me go to the police. Me report these things. Me not keep it to myself. And me make sure me come on social media can make you know say me I get the threats. Me not hide nothing. A $20 million over you way. If you go up there go check and me alone appear. Me alone them I come to for them money. Me alone. Me them a come to. Me them a come to for them money. Me. I me never put my picnic in a hospital. And me have to do it. Every day. Monday, Kaylan put in a pick line in and a $40,000 for the pick line. Every day me there pharmacy. Every day me a buy, every day me a this, every day me alone. Me no see none of them gyal there, mama, sister, brother, auntie, uncle, nobody. Nobody no reach out to me and say, them a put $1, but you no have money for pay a man for kill me. The Gleaner put out an article last week sometime, say, Kaylan lost her memory. The Gleaner put out an article sometime last week. Say Kaylan lost her memory. And And based on that, I get to understand. So, oh, Kaylan lost her memory. So she can't give a statement. So, I'm here the problem. I'm here the problem. Me never remember who no. Me no see who no. And me no want nobody tell me to go on a station. Because me not go on a station again. Because I've been to the station on multiple occasions when me get threats. I know the first them I do it. And the first thing them talk, the first incident, them send come tell me, say me, for drop case and them will mind me of my picnic. And I say, no leave me alone. I'm a ball, I'm a grieve, I'm a go I'm a picnic bedside. I'm a picnic bedside, go ball to God. Them they all about, them I live free life, them they a dance, them they a party, them they everywhere same way. Kaylan lie down in the hospital. And our mama, me, the one where people tear down on social media, who not do nobody nothing, and me get the chastisement every day. Every day on the tear me down. Every day them chastise me and class me and call me all kind of nastiness. Them call me everything that is bad. And me are the one when not trouble nobody. Me are the one we just try to take care of my youth as best as me can. And me if you walk and look over my shoulder every minute, me can't live in peace. The same police tell me say me to change my vehicle because of them tell me say them ear threats. And me to change my vehicle. And me sell a piece of old car. And beg borrow. The first money me get and my sister send it from England come give me. And people make it seem as if I'm me are the problem. As if I'm me are the problem. Me not get no $50 million, me not get no $10 million, me not get no bag of money. What is the problem? Can't I live my life in peace? Wanna beat me picnic and say a 9-time Kaylan heart stop. 9 times. Me angry right now. Because according to them, I'm me are the problem. And it in the streets that me I go dead. Because I'm me a pressure the case. Me not even go to court. Where the police say? Mr. Champagne, me I ask you, please to tell your client them say, me not even come to court. Please to tell your client them say, I have no control over this situation. Number one, it happened while Kaylan was still a minor. It's in the hands of the justice system. I cannot drop no charge. Me can't drop no charge. Leave me alone. Me no want nobody kill me over what me no know about, cause me never dead. I am tired. Last week, Friday gone. When you don't hear me say prayer, me post it on Facebook and me post it on Instagram and me say prayer. And everybody jump on it and start prayer. Me picnic not even wake up. She wasn't waking up. I mean, I said nothing. Me just hold it and go pray. And I'm me who want to kill. Me we are pray for no. Me, we are say God. Me the one will leave everything in the hands. And suppose me did first at the first instance. Me did jump up and say me I go take justice in my hand. Nobody now look upon that. And them girl at their party. I mean, I see nobody report them, say them their party. And when them not for their Kingston, them their Kingston. All I report them. But you don't see me every day to chastise me. Me we are go about my business. Me we are mind my own business. Me we are look after my picnic. We're still up on a ventilator going 9 months. We can't come out of ICU. And the millions of dollars we are pile up. Only no sister, you can pay off some of the hospital bill. But you can find money to pay a bad man to come kill me. Me when I look for you. Me when I trouble you. Me when I walk in on the way. Me leave you alone. I no still a take set for me. Me leave you alone. I no still a take set for me. Won't take set for me for. Won't threaten me for. Won't send that threat for. Won't want kill me for. Me not have no money. The money done. The money finish. So when me have phone you want. You can't go retain big liar. Me have message in my phone where the boy say a big liar them have on the case. Easy 1, 2, 3. And when me present these things to the police, them say them can't use it in a statement. Because it's second hand. And the person who send the message have to give permission. You understand? So no evidence when me come up with me can't use. But yet still, them are going to tell me something. Be careful when me say on social media. No, go away from me. Me not fi post Kayland on social media. Me not fi, go away from me. Cause you know they on my side. You not with me. You not fight for me. You not fight for my picnic. Because she did a mind her own business. I stand up by yourself and mind her own business. I don't like how people look pound. And then now you want to come kill me. You beat down my penny to near death. And now you want to come kill me. But that station how much time go make report. Me not make no more reports. My cup full. Me tired of you. Me tired of you. Me tired. Me right here, sir. Me tired. What we have police for? What we have justice system for? What we have ministers for? What we have lion? What we have all of them people here for? What purpose them serve? If we can't, what the case a drought so long for? She's still in the hospital 9 months. Why not wait for death? Because obviously I must wait and I wait for her for dead. At the first me I go get upset from when you know me till now. At the first. But when them people I go talk about them I go kill me. And I did the first them say it, but me really reach a point right now when me tired. And at the truth. Me tired. Oh, me I become a problem to anybody else so. That me want to know. One direction me look. Me no look pan people. Me make sure me drive way out of the way. Me make sure me go far from you know. Me make sure me stay far. Cause me say me no want have nothing to do with these people. Cause them a demon. They are human demons. Everyone me got people that tell me to watch myself. Why me to watch myself for? Why should I be watching myself? Me not a thief. Every dollar will come here to me, it come legally. Me make sure me go into the bank them. And me say me I set up the account them allocated for Kayland funds. So the account them are being watched. Me can't spend nothing all time. Me can't go buy a big fridge. And me can't go buy a big car all time. And me can't buy nothing all time. Me have to hustle my own money to do it. Anything me want to do. Because the account is being watched. The bank them I watch the account so me can't get relevant. So all I who feel to say me I use this and me I use that. I cannot do it. Come in a want to go to jail for fraud. Me no want to go jail for fraud. So me make sure me stay on the straight and the narrow. And me make sure me go down on my knee. And me pray every day. I pray to God. Me stay on the straight and the narrow. The one person where I do what is right in the situation, and I me always I get the shit in the stick. And I me the only person where I do the right thing. only person doing the right thing, and me always have to live in a stress. Why? Me need to pack up and left jump. Me need to take Kaylan and Cheyenne and cut. And that me see I go on because me not gonna live in peace. Me not gonna ever get a chance to live. Where this for? What do want kill me for? Me not have nothing. I beg. Only not see that. I want to create a problem. And none of you not come forward all now and say sorry. Wanna sit down proud and laugh and brag. The girl there in jail and she talk about say the last girl will run up on her. If them not say 1% she get and a jail she there. In a jail she talk that. And in there the problem, see you there in jail you still have the problem. And you gonna talk about the last girl because the last girl will run up on me get 1%. So a bragging, same way a braggings, all two they are braggings. Oh, killing me, I got help, no, tell me. Me I wait for this, me I listen for hear the answer. Oh, killing me, I got help, no. Oh, killing me, I got help, no case. Me not got a court. Because them a trail me, them a follow me. Everywhere me go, me see vehicle come on me yard, cover a minute, I call, look. Me report all of these things, me not in a no more talking. With nobody, me just want to be left alone. Me just want to be left alone. A whole heap of, only two not hear me come past social media come talk about things. A whole heap of things me got through. Now for the things that will happen to Kaylan, me not talk because me just can't take if I put out this sad story every day. Me can't take if I put out every day this sad story business. That's why me love social media. But when me can't sleep in my bed, me I gotta tell you the truth. It's not right. And me not trouble, no. Me not trouble, you know. It's not one time I got station gonna make report about threats, you know. So when me I go gas station go do again, tell me. Them not do nothing to help me. What me for do? What is the solution to this problem? You don't need to tell me when you want so I can go so I can go on about my business, me and my two picking them. Tell me, make me go on where me I go. Anything me have when I want, tell me. I cannot drop the case because the case is not being pushed by me. It's not in my hand. Once there's an assault, there's an attack, or there's any form of crime against a minor, or the state deal with it. If I me, I did lick, I could have drop it and walk, go on about my business. $20 million near $30 million up a you if you pay. And none of you not see if you go pay the bill. But you not see if you find the money if you kill me. For what? Go up a you we go ask them. I owe them see every month I try put something on the bill. Go and go ask them who them come to. What dear? Come to me what dear? With all them machine in their hand. Say money time. No justice no there Jamaica. Cause number one, them girls they shouldn't their road. No bail. Cause Kaylan they on life support all now. And 9 cardiac arrest she get. 9 time. I'm not a remorse. I'm not sorry about it. I'm still a brag. And I talk about get rid of girl. Me a big man. Get rid of which girl? You think you know God? You think you bigger than God? You think you bigger than the God where me I serve? You really feel like you bigger than the God where me I serve? You really think you bigger than the God where me I serve? You really feel like you bigger than God now? You really feel like say you bigger than the God where we are serve. The God where me pray to. The God where bring back my picnic 9 times. You feel like you bigger than God? You feel like you bigger than God? No, man. Me not go live over and over every minute. The mama the problem. The mother the problem because she not ease up. Then what me fi ease up? Hey, no go in. What me fi ease up for? Where me a ease up for? Tell me where me a ease up for. What am I going to ease up for? I found the people like them in the hospital every day in a pain. Last week, all week, Kaylan a ball. When me say ball, every day, mercy, mercy, Jesus, Jesus. Morphine, fentanyl, Voltaren, Baralgin, Panad, the amount of medic and nothing now work. Straight balling. It stressed me out. Because every day I go see my picking in a pain. Non-stop and there's nothing the doctors can do. Because all them are gear, the only thing the drugs them are do are knock her out. No pain, no stop. Me not cuss bad word. The devil is a liar. Me not cuss no bad word. Me pass them stage there. Me pass them stage there. And me not have to be disrespectful. But me I gotta talk my mind. Me gotta talk my mind. Because I'm tired now. Me tired. I soon 1 year me pick me in a hospital. And these people still have plan to kill me. What them I could kill me for? Me not have no money. Me don't have it. Wanna check you bill, please. And check. Me can dash out every receipt. Me have receipt tell you that thing say I me own receipt factory. Me try to get my picnic out of this place. No ends. Nobody now help me now. I'm telling you something now. If you not cop on the internet and so you know to see me all about a DJ. Enough people know me. Enough of the entertainer them know me. Enough people. Nobody now reach out for help me. Now my picnic. I me never ask for none really. Me just anybody will have it in them heart. Me always talk it. I'm grateful for anybody will help me. Shed some light upon the justice system. And that's all me did I ask for now. Shed some light upon the justice system. The justice system, the penalties need to be increased. Because if people, if your thief pick a phone and you get 5 years for pick a phone. Imagine if you murder somebody and you go get 50 years. Nobody not kill nobody and nobody not pick no phone. Because me not go prison for one phone. Me not spend five years in a jail for one phone. So here one, me not go pick no phone. Come on, country not hard for running now. You have to just use sense, you know. Increase the penalties. Simple mathematics. Yes, DJ Tracy, big up lava. All the time, every time. And I can tell you, Andre from Laurel Squad, big up yourself. I can tell you now, this is so stressful. My child is still in the hospital. And now, every time, every turn is another thing. Is another thing. Is another thing. Is another. When me ever get, me not trouble nobody, you know? Me not trouble nobody. And that me a look pan. Me not walking on the way. Me pick me stand up, and our friend them stand up one place and mind them own a business and you steer pan her. Me talk to the girl who start the fight. Me talk to her myself. And me not take it back. And me gonna talk it loud. And she talk a whole it me picking it with the buckle. So Anna, and the girl walk and brag with the buckle. She walk up and down and have the buckle the next day and brag. Oh, she beat the girl. To near that. And to the day, your family member and your friend them I got sent threat to come kill me. The people me never did that now. Me I defend my picnic. And my picnic. And me carry her come here. Me and God carry her come here. And me a defend her. And me not stop defend her. Me not stop defend her. So do no best. Do no best. But me can tell you, you take my life on a generation I go dead. Because God will wipe you out. Because no deed goes unpunished. You only have to set a chain reaction for destruction in our family. I can't tell you that. Why am I constantly being threatened? Tell me. Why am I constantly being threatened? Why not threaten my life for every minute? Wanna force me fear I move, wanna force me fear I live some type of way where why? And I own wrong. I own wrong. I own do the wrong. And I me trouble you know. I own trouble me, you know. I own walking on my way, you know. I own coming on my space, you know. I own left one there come interfere with me and my pitney, you know. And I me same one, I feel I go through it every day. Me alone. Every day, me alone. I want to cock up, I want to do a party, I want to do this, I want to same way. The people when I see on out the road and I see on a party, why don't I report them? When them there, the places where them not for there. Why don't I report them? I don't understand. That means everybody in league with this thing then. Everybody is in league with injustice. Can nobody now do the right thing? Nobody now do the right thing. Nobody not doing the right thing. At which point, we're going to stop turning a blind eye. At which point, when you reach a phone doorstep and somebody leak down somebody's phone, or kill somebody's phone, that is the time when everybody gonna say, oh, them sure are wicked people them when it their phone doorstep. Or no, say wicked when it their my doorstep. The other day, Kaylan in a hospital, I'm going to talk, I'm in a response to one chat. I will see this boy come round. And you know, how we know? Impossible 4 or 5 times. I will notice him, I see him a peep round me in our cubicle and see him. And when I go so and say, who this? Who this? And I turn to our nurse and she said, you know I see him pass already? You know one time the nurse tackle him what him say? Oh, you know, so somebody say, and him start, AC we in and him a sweat. AC we in and him a sweat. And you know, so somebody when me know, say them know you, and say them know Kaylan, and the nurse says, so what are you doing here? Why are you constantly looking in our room? Why are you looking in our cubicle? And the nurse warned him and said, no information that you see here must go outside. No, me not go carry out, no. And when the nurse said, who you? I'm go to him and say, who are you? Where you come from? Me not say nothing to nobody, you know. You notice I never come on social media come talk this. I make sure I go to the police. I call the police on this one. Them not do no investigation. Them not do nothing. This boy was inside of the hospital. You understand? In the hospital where Kaylan there. And you know where him come from? Same place where the girl them come from. When we do investigation, same place. Same place where the girl them live and come from. And that's where the boy come from. And I make sure I go to the police with that information. That means all in a hospital, them send people for come terrorize my pitney. So at what point are we going to get any rest and any peace? She can't even lie down upon her in the hospital in peace. It's not safe. This not safe. You ever say somebody where you know me? I said the person said, and she said, if you just look and so when I say, where you come from? You know, some me used to go to school, yeah, wish for the school there. When me I say about weird, now I see him place this. Where you come from? Same place where the girl them come from, and same place the boy come from. We stand up outside a Kaylan room. It's just because the nurse them always sit down there so nobody can just walk in our cubicle. But she not safe because and at the same time, me didn't hear say, me not pay a hospital bill. Because true, me not come by social media come say, all right, me and the hospital make an agreement to pay $5 and $10 and $6 a month. Him work there. Him walk up there. So the people who are working at the hospital, them are going to use now to come kill me pitney. And that will not show me. And now, because you claim say she have memory loss, you not come kill me because I'm me a pressure the case. And me are the problem. Me personally can't deal with this no more. And me make too much appeal. Me ask for too much help. I'm really, it come like say, me have to go kiss ass and yam shit. Forget somewhere. Forget to somebody, for somebody. Pay attention. Am I going to have to stoop to these levels?
Now this is how me feel about this whole situation, people. Me feel like the perpetrators, the persons involved, should have been dealt with severely. It's not like we don't know who committed this crime. The persons who do it has already been identified, right? All of the women them involved has already been identified. Now me feel like the police them should have been taking this situation extremely serious. You understand? Because everybody involved should have been doing prison time. Not a walk up and down a road, not able to travel around freely as them wish, right? Ongoing case or not. Them should have served prison time right now, as how me see it. Because look upon the woman pitney, laid up in a bed, can't move. We not even know if she may come back, God forbid, right? So everybody involved right now should have been suffering the same fate. You understand what I say? At least in a prison. You understand? Now, to push it to the extreme, you do what you do to the woman pitney, and yet still, in at the end, you threaten she too. Even when she says she not follow up the case, we're not out there. We're no compassion there. Is there no remorse for what happened? No, me know someone are gonna say, yo, leave it to the justice system, the law will prevail. No. I feel like the police can and should do more pertaining to this situation. If the woman come and say, listen, I have been getting death threats, investigate it. Do something about it. And try to protect her. She's a Jamaican citizen and she deserves to be protected. Watch ya. You hear she talk about if you thief a phone or how much time you get and this and that. So what? Is the loss of life not important? People want to talk to me down below in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this whole situation right here. This is a very serious one and a sad one at that. I mean, no, not found right now after listening to this, extremely emotional. More you want to have to say down below in the comment section. Alright, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. Once we upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.